Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a POSBank A8 point of service printer and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this printer not connecting to your devices or to the network, or if it doesn't seem to be working properly, it's not printing and stuff like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of those issues. Now you're going to need to set everything up again once you do this because it will be wiped and restored to its factory out of the box settings. But if you want to, that might be the second reason you want to do this actually, is if you're trying to set this up on, on a new register or in a new situation at a new store or whatever, and we can get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box. So it's real simple to do. All you need to do, it's going to need to be hooked up to whatever you're using so that you can see the display. But what you're going to do is you're going to press and hold the power button and the feed button for 2 seconds. And once you do that, hold them simultaneously for 2 seconds, on the display, it will pop up with a little menu option to do the factory reset or not. And basically, it'll say to just do a single tap on the feed button to confirm, do a double tap to not confirm to cancel out. So if we just do a single tap, once that menu pops up, then it will go ahead and reboot this printer to its factory default settings.